Hi, my name is Ingrid and I'm a real estate expert in New York City. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you about the real estate buying process in New York. I'll break it down into 7 small videos, 7 steps that is, which will help you to understand the process a little more. If you still have questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can give me a call or you can follow me on one of my social media sites, or you may email me. Now, are you looking to purchase real estate in New York? Do you know what you're looking for? Each state is different and New York is very unique. So it's very important that if you're coming to purchase property here, that you work with an expert or a group of experts so that the process can get done quickly and without hassle. Now, there are different types of properties, like I said. There are co-ops, condos, townhouses, single families, and multifamily units. It's primary that you secure funds. Cash is king. So if you have cash to pay, you may be able to close a deal within a week. However, if you're using a lender, it may take a couple of weeks as well as a couple of months. There are 2 major types of lenders. There's a commercial lender, which most people use because they've had a relationship with the lender for over a number of years. But the commercial lenders offer loans as one product. They have multiple products that they offer. Loan is just one type of product, whereas the mortgage lender only offers mortgage loans. So some people, it depends on you, depends on your choice. Now, if you don't have a lender, I recommend lenders to my clients on a daily basis, so do not hesitate to reach out to me. Now, there are key factors which affect the loan. A few are your credit score, having a co-signer, your debt to income ratio, and big ticket items. Now, generally 700 or above is a great credit score, but it depends on the lender that you're working with. They might be flexible to move things around. If the higher your credit score, the better the type of loan. You'll tend to get more money to borrow as well as a lower interest rate. If your credit score isn't high enough, you may use a co-signer. It could be a close family or a friend. And your debt to income ratio, you should try to cut down on the amount of expenses that you have outstanding before you try to seek a loan. But do definitely speak to your lender about that so they can advise you which ones to pay attention to and which ones to cut first. And last but not least is big ticket items. If you're thinking of purchasing like a car or furniture or so, I recommend that you wait until you have the keys in your hand at the closing table, because this too will affect the quality of the loan that you have and the interest rate that you'll have to pay. Importantly, there are multiple loans, but there are 2 types that are normally used for residential loans. They are the FHA loan and the conventional loan. If you're purchasing in New York, you will need to have at least 10% out of pocket. This will help to secure the cost for your down payments, your closing costs, your attorney fees, your inspection fees, your title insurance, and such kinds. It's normally 10% of the purchasing price. So for instance, if you're getting a property for $1 million, you will need to have at least $100,000 out of pocket. The bank will lend you the other 90%. Conventional loans are usually require over 10%. Make sure to speak to your lender. After you've worked out everything with your lender, they will give you a pre-approval letter, and that is what you will take to the real estate agent to start your process. I hope you're enjoying this. This is the first step. Now come with me to the second step. Feel free to like and subscribe to my YouTube page, or visit my social media platforms at Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. And my handle is Yes Boyd. Also, do feel free to give me a call. 917-946-8740. That's 917-946-8740. I hope I'm not going too fast for you. if anything at all, you can hit the replay button. Follow me to the next step. Thanks for stopping by.